Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the strap on Xiaomi Mi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Turn the watch upside down. Locate the little silver bars on the straps. Pull the silver knob to the middle of the strap, while simultaneously pulling the watch's strap away from the watch's body. The strap will come away from the watch. To reattach the strap, place the silver bar of the strap on the opposite side to the silver knob into the hole on the watch. Then pull the silver knob to the middle of the strap and place the silver bar into the hole on the watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.